we did it because we love Greg.
Yes, very much.
Apparently he doesn't love us.
That's why I do it.
Because you don't love us.
Something like that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Roll up the pants.
Okay, so we're Santa's elves.
They scream a lot, by the way, so you might want to relapse.
Wow. There's 105.
Not me.
There's actually 105 mousetraps.
We reached 105.
Yes! Okay. Goggles on.
Those are blacked out, by the way.
Okay. Ready for eyeballs?
Yep.
Eyeballs on. Hey!
I'm scared.
Okay, Chris, this is the last house. I'm freezing cold.
Okay.
I'm tired.
It's okay, John Dave, don't worry about it, I got your back, alright?
Okay.
Okay, go down the chimney, don't turn on any lights, or I swear you're gonna get caught, okay? Move forward about 3 steps.
1. Ow! Oh!
So far, so good?
Okay, good, stop, hold on. Okay, yeah, okay, you gotta get down low.
Okay.
Get down on all 4s, okay? John!
What?
You're laying on the dog food. Oh, good, stop, hold on, okay, now, oh no, don't do that, okay, come forward about 3 inches. You okay?
Ow!
There you are, good. Oh, stop, hold on, there's a security system. You guys gotta lay on your tummy.
Now you tell us there's a security system?
It's just one beam, lay on your stomachs. Lay flat, get down.
Okay.
Get down. Good, now roll. No, not that way.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, stop. Okay, back to your knees. Back to your knees.
Oh!
You're almost there, guys. You're really close. Okay, now. I'm going to teleport you guys out real quick. You're not going to even know what happened. Okay. Okay, guys. I forgot the presents up here. So we'll do this another time. Just come up. I'm going to teleport you guys out in about 2 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yay! Wow, that was fun.
All right.
Awesome.
So that was worth $1,000, right, John? That's right.
Take a big round of applause for everyone that donated.
Okay.